Howdy everyone, I'm Joshua Clint with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to descale a toilet. Now, what the scale actually is a calcium buildup in your toilet. A lot of times this affects the flush of the toilet because it tends to stick to the sides and make that toilet flush really slow. Best way to fix this is with chemicals. Now, when getting the chemicals to fix this, you want to get one that removes calcium, rust, lime. Those are the main things that are found in water that cling to the sides of the pipes. What you do is you take your chemical and you pour the recommended amount into your bowl. I like to actually mix this with hot water. The hot water helps break that stuff loose a little bit more with the active ingredient in your rust remover. So you simply dump it in and you let it sit for a little bit. That way it tends to mix with the water, and when you flush it, all of that chemical has mixed with the water and will cling to the calcium and the rust and the lime that have connected to your pipes. You might have to put several applications in there depending on how bad your pipes are. But to get rid of it, you just flush it down and it starts working. So there you have it. That's how you can descale your toilet. I'm Joshua Clint with Lighty Contractors. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next project.